Welcome, today I am with Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G and I will show you a speaker sound quality test. In this smartphone we can find two speakers at the bottom, right here, and also right here, in this place. So I'll play that no copyright music at the highest quality for a few moments and you are able to check it out how that speakers sounds. So let's start. Okay, so as you can hear, that's how the speakers sound. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.